Hi friends, I am Prasunar. Welcome to my CSS tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to write CSS to set a background color for a specific div or body. Similarly, we will learn how to set foreground color. Here, I have created a HTML page and it is saved as cssbg.html. Let us write some content. See here, I have created one heading H1. This is a paragraph where I have write some text. Just save and run this page. Now you can see the result. Simple page. Let us write some into CSS here in a head tag. Use the style tag. Now let us write a selector for body. That is, I have used name of that tag. For to set a background color, we use background, and you can directly give name of color. Let us give a name of color as pink and execute it. This is the first method to apply a background color. You can also apply a background color using RGB functions. Instead of writing this pink color, you can directly give some hexadecimal number or RGB function. RGB has three values. One is, first value is red color, second value may be a green color, that is G stand for green, R stand for red, and last value is blue color. Just save it and you can create a variety of color. This is what RGB output. Similarly, you can search on the net for HTML color code, where you will find a various hexa color code. For black, this is color code in hexa format. This is also another method. Let's for yellow, let's copy this color and use it in our page. Let us check output. In this way, you can apply a various background color using three different methods. First method is you can write name directly. In second method, use hexacode. In third method, you can use RGB function. Now, let us give some foreground color. Here, I want to display this text in some different color. To a foreground color, we use color, give a name of color brown. This is applied to entire body section. So, let's run. It will convert entire text in a brown. Now, write another class, that is H1 here, and give color blue. You can change the H1 color in this way. Also, let us change the case by using text transform. Text, there are three different values you can use here, that is uppercase. Let us check output. After writing uppercase, entire text will converted into uppercase. Another method is lowercase. When you use a lowercase, it will convert entire text into lowercase. One more is there, that is capitalize. Let's check output of this capitalize. It will transform your text first letter of every word into capital, that is capitalize. Now I need as uppercase. This is the best example. Let's see. This is uppercase. Now I want text decoration as a underline. There are different options. You can put underline, overline, then none, and one more option is there. Okay, I have used this text decoration underline. Let's take another example. There is one more, there is overline and line through. I have used here underline. Another method I can use line through. Let's check what is the output line through. Okay, it will strike the text. Okay, it will strike the text. Similarly, underline, line through, overline. Let's check. Overline, it will display the line above the text, and one more is there, that is none. I don't want to play any line here, so I have just put overline. I remove overline and then none. Now we have learned how to set background color, how to set foreground color to the text, how to use text transform, how to use text decoration. Let us use text align. For H1 text, there are three different options you can use here. First option is left. By default it is in left. You can use right. Let us check right. So the text will move to right. Similarly, you can use center, left, right and center. So I want this to display on a center. So this is a center. Text align. Then you can change the direction of text. That is left to right and right to left. So I want to change the direction, that is right to left. So RTL, right to left. Check out. This was our old. When I refresh, let's check LTR, left to right. No, something is wrong with that. Let's check a direction. Sorry, something is wrong here. It's okay. Let us check another option of CSS. That is, we have learned color, text align, text decoration, text transformation. Let us use letter spacing. First we will write some text in our paragraph. I have used here paragraph. Check output. This is our paragraph. So put some more text. You can see this. I want some space at the beginning of this paragraph. So let us write some code here. First, refresh this. Check output. This LTR is not working, so I have removed this. Now create one more, that is P. It will directly apply to paragraph. Now see here, first we will set background to paragraph. We will set white. Similarly, foreground color is by default, which is applied body. It is brown. Now check the output. Now this is what. Now I want some space before this paragraph for each and every paragraph. For that we are going to use this text indent. Okay, let's copy this. For paragraph, I have copied this text indent and put some value in numerical pixel format. I have put here 15 pixels. save, and just check out the result. Automatically this text is shifted to right. You can put one more here. Let's use 35. This is what? Now see the alignment we have defined. We learn text align center, text align left, right. Now for this paragraph you can use text align justify. Just copy this text align from this CSS class, put here and use justify. After using, just save. Now this was our result. Just refresh. You can see this para become justified. Let us see. We will apply word spacing or letter spacing or word spacing. First we use letter spacing. See what is the result. For this paragraph I am using letter spacing as a 10. After saving this you can see the change. This was our old. After refreshing, now words are separated by 10 pixels. So just use let us use -5. So what is the output? Now in this way the words are clubbed. So don't just put a value positive here. Letter spacing. Now these are the letter spacing. Similarly we add word spacing. Here is our another word spacing. Copy this word spacing. I want, let us first change this one, that is letter spacing. Now it's okay. Now I want word spacing is 5 pixels. Give and save and just refresh. Now this become the space between two words are increase here. That is word spacing. Now this option is line height. We can increase line height, that is vertical alignment of two lines, the space between two lines. Just see is our output. Here is our first line and a little bit space between two lines. So I will give here 10 pixels line height. After giving this, just refresh. In this way the line height will be decreased here. Now by default let's give here 40 and check out the output. This is line, the line height will be increased. In this way you can provide line height here. Now next option is text shadow. Let us use in our, for heading tag we will use a text shadow here. Give the x value, that is 10, give y value, that is 10, and give color of shadow, that is red. Put a semicolon. No need to use comma here. Now this was our old output. After giving a text shadow, okay, it is also not working. Just give some pixels. I will give 20 pixels and red. Now this text shadow is there. Here is a x. Then let's give here 2 pixels. In this way you can create a text shadow. What we learn in this video, we learn a color, that is foreground color, and three methods to set a foreground and background color. We learn using directly color name, RGB function, and hexadecimal numbers. Also we learn text align. You can align a text into by using center, left, right, and justify. Text decoration is used to give underline, give a line through, overline, and to remove a line. A text transform is important property to convert our text into uppercase, lowercase, or each word first letter as a capitalized using capitalized method. Text indent is used to specify a space at the starting of your paragraph. Letter spacing to give a space between two letters, and word spacing, that is space between two words. Line height is used to define a height. Direction is not worked here, but you see previous video, it is working fine. it is by using inline CSS you can apply this. Similarly, text shadow has three parameters. The first is x, y, and color. There is this used to display shadow. Now this is our output. Now if you like this video, please share it. For more videos, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.